Well, hello again. Well, part of the process of getting the dart back is getting it onto a trailer. Now, it's a bit of an involved process because I've got two chassis to bring back on the car trailer. So it's taken quite a bit of thinking about how to stack all that, plus the fiberglass body and motors and all the other bits and pieces into the car. So I've built a platform, and the way this hopefully will work is that I'll put one body on the trailer, put this platform over the top and load the other chassis with the body on it on top. So the chassis will sit underneath this platform. So it's about 700 high, which should give us enough clearance, and I've made it so that the chassis will sit on top of this and the rear in here, in the wheels. This section here is because there's a bit of a depression on the chassis where the seat is, so I've got to accommodate for that, and then obviously the front wheels here. So hopefully it'll fit, and we'll find out in a couple of weeks time. So I hope to see you then.